Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here it is furan is given. You have methyl and side chain alkali groups are attached with acetal groups. You reacting with ammonium chloride and sodium cyanide and hydronium ion. Second step, you are using lithium hydride and acetic acid. You have to find the product A and B. Here the answer involved naming reaction, which is Strecker synthesis. The Strecker synthesis converts aldehydes into amino acid. Normally Strecker synthesis addition of cyanide in the carbonyl carbon. So cyanide add to the carbonyl. You have cyanide and amine in the same carbon. That is the importance of the synthesis. Then you are hydrolyzing it. It converts into acid. It's a carboxylic acid. So it's amino acid there. Then you are using lithium hydride. Lithium hydride is an important reagent. It only reduces the acid, not the acetal. So you have acetic acid in the next step. You are protecting the alcoholic group. Here the concept you have to learn here is Strecker synthesis. Strecker synthesis straight away converts aldehyde into amino acid. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.